近日，上海浦東機場邊檢入境大廳迎嚟一批使用線上填報入境系統嘅外國旅客，唔少人透過移民局12367 App 提前完成申報，落地後直接通關，流程更順暢。
I traveled before to China and used the paper forms several times, but this time we saw online checking system. It's a very good, very fast. Also, it has several languages. You can use your own language. You can handle your jobs very fast, and I think it's very confident. It's very good.
而針對長者或唔熟悉手機操作嘅旅客，邊檢人員亦都會主動協助提供引導，並提供多語種服務及1對1指導，確保所有人順利通關。
我们提前制作了多语种视频填报指引，让不同语言背景的旅客都能轻松掌握填报方法。入境外国人可以在国外或者是有网络的飞机上就能进行操作，免去了以前要飞抵中國後在現場填寫紙質入境卡的時間，讓通關更加便捷、更加快捷。
據統計，今年以嚟，上海空港口岸已接待近494萬人次入境外國人，居全國首位。新措施全面落地後，預期將進一步加快口岸通關效率，提升旅客體驗。